Responding to key events with cloud functions. In this section, we're going to take a look at the uses of executing functions on the cloud, how to trigger events for cloud functions, and how to execute code from the cloud. Introducing Firebase Cloud Functions. In this video, we're going to take a look at what are Firebase Cloud Functions and what are they used for. Firebase revolves quite heavily around the cloud. Because of this, we can't achieve each service's fullest potential from just within our app's code. That's where Firebase Cloud Functions comes in. By having a platform where we can run functions from the cloud, we can respond to events that we wouldn't normally be able to, such as an analytics event, a user's first login, or when a specific Firestore document is updated. On top of responding to events, we can also use cloud functions to handle intensive tasks, like image manipulation, instead of running them on the device with limited processing power.